Hey guys, this is Writing with Phonics, page 27 and 28. We are going to match the letters, starting with the letter B. Let's look for another B on this bottom row, right there. Next, an H. Let's find another H. I see one right there. Here's a letter M. Let's look for an M. Here's an N. There we go. So now we're going to write our letters, okay? Our letter M is going to be a pull down, slant right, slant up, pull down. Lowercase is a pull down with a hump and a hump. Pull down, slant right, push up, pull down, hump, hump. Pull down, slant right, slant up, pull down, hump, hump. Pull down, slant right, slant up, pull down, hump, hump. Pull down, slant right, slant up, pull down, hump, hump. Good. The capital N is a pull down, slant right, push up, and then a pull down and one hump. Pull down, slant right, push up, pull down with one hump. The letter B is a pull down, hump, hump, pull down with a belly in the front. Pull down, hump, hump, pull down with a belly in the front. Pull down, hump, hump, pull down with a belly in the front. All right, next, we're going to do our H. Pull down, push across. Pull down with a hump, but that one's all the way from the top. Pull down, push across. Pull down from the top with a hump. Pull down from the top with a hump for H. Then use a smile with a pull down. So this is a blend. Ha, ha, ha. Let's flip over on the back. All right, the letter S is like a wiggly snake. Curve around and back up. Around and back up. Around and back up. Curve around, and then keep going and come back up. Curve around, then keep going, and come back up. Curve around and come back up. Curve around, it's like a wiggly snake. Capital S is just the same thing but larger. Curve around, then down and back up. 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 Curve around, then down. S says for sun. Bye, friends.